I simply love my recent love is lit and lit element, lit HTML, and I'm looking for a decent, simple to use, easy to understand, lean and clean project setup, bundler, development server, how to say, technology and environment and solution. And I found that Elite promotes a Elite Starter project, which is available here. It seems to be quite, how to say, recently updated and maintained, and there is a copy or maybe a link over to it, which is lit element starter ts, which is exactly the same thing. My understanding, the source is the same, however the link is a bit different, so the location. But the good thing that this one, this elite per elite starter, it doesn't have this possibility that to be used as a template. So I was very much thrilled when I've seen this possibility that, hey guys, we have here an officially supported lit element starter for TypeScript programmers, and I can use this as a template to create my project. Let me just create one, Miriam 17, and then just to test lit. Okay, and then it's public, and create repository from template. Yes, GitHub is creating my repository, and it was quick and easy. So I have here a Miriam 17 project, lit element starter TS based on excellent. So therefore the next step would be just to open Visual Studio Code, and I have here the command palette and git clone, and I'm cloning from my project. Here I have my Miriam 17, which I just created. Let's clone it onto my favorite disk. To get started, okay, yes, open the project. And here we are, and as the readme explains, the first step is, as usual, of course, just to run npm. So let me just open a terminal and then start npm install. Okay, it's the first thing is this version of npm is compatible with log file version at 1, but package lock.json was generated for log file version. I'll try to do my best with it. And then I have a couple of deprecated messages, which I really don't care and don't mind. So this load ideal tree, load all depths into ideal tree, it takes for it some time to proceed. It's unusually slow. Honestly, this is not the very first video. I'm redoing all of this experiment again. I've done it on my Mac computer too, and the behavior is exactly the same. So this is a Windows, but it doesn't matter which operating system you are running this on. Hmm. It is installing something like a Chromium, downloading Firefox. Interesting. Download it to update a local MS Playwright. Oh, excellent. So it wasn't that bad, and it found 153 vulnerabilities and 26 high and 3 critical. Yeah, not that bad. Anyway, so let's see what do we have. So the next step is to build watch or to use the dev server. Yes, we have npm run serve. Let's see what we have. Npm run serve. Okay, that was quick. And this is my browser. Let me just control click. Whoa, it says not found. Okay, Control Shift I to open the console. Oh, it says failed to load resource. The server respond with a status of 44 not found. Favicon. Okay, no problem. Then localhost. Bang. I used to work, and okay, let's see. This was Edge. Let's try it with Chrome. Message is exactly the same. Interesting. So back to the application. Let me check what do we have here in the index. Index.html. Style, and this is child component. Yes, this is the my element, and this is the my element. This is a lit decorators. So everything seems to be fine, at least from here. And also what I was expecting, just to have this hello whatever text, but it doesn't work at all. Okay, let's give a try to test it with build. Control C and npm run build. Excellent. Ooh. What was the build directory? So this was the build command was just a simple TypeScript compilation where the destination was just the root folder. That's why we have here this my elements JS. The index is yes, into the my elements. Let's check out if it works that way. Let me just open with live server. This is child content. So the situation is exactly the same. So my friends, what I want to say that this was so disappointing that whatever way I love this lit concept, lit element and lit HTML, brilliant, but this startup project is a total disappointment. Hell, very complex. It installed the half of the universe and eventually it doesn't work at all. So how how the nice people behind lit want to make this excellent product popular if there is no real builder template to support it, to support the programmers like me.